Need to bill multiple matters at once? Wise Owl's Bulk Create feature makes it fast and simple. If you regularly bill multiple matters, Bulk Create can significantly reduce manual admin work and speed up your billing process. From the Accounting and Finance page, click on Invoice Register. From the Invoice Register, click the drop-down beside New Invoice and select Bulk Create. Set your billing filters and choose the correct date range, then click Search. To narrow down your billing run, you can also apply additional filters such as matter type, branch, or lawyer. Select the matters you want to bill and review the total amounts. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and type Bulk into the Confirm action field, then click Bulk Create Invoices. Processing time will depend on the number of invoices and the complexity of the entries. Once complete, you'll receive a success message at the top of the screen. Head back to the Invoice Register and search for invoices dated today with a draft status. From there, you can review, confirm, and send your invoices. That's it for this quick tip. Keep exploring Wise Owl to unlock even more helpful features.